This session covers the steps required to utilize the Autodesk Forge viewer embedded into TRIRIGA 3.6. The basic steps are creating a Forge application with Autodesk to provide credentials for use in TRIRIGA. The second is entering those credentials into TRIRIGA. The third is creating storage buckets to hold models. The fourth is uploading and translating one or more models. And the last is associating the models with TRIRIGA building records. A Forge application can be created from the Autodesk website. You will need to register for access to the website and then select the Create Application option. You'll be asked to select several APIs and provide some information about your application. None of the information is actually used by TRIRIGA. It's all descriptive. The web URL, you can make up any validly formatted URL you want. TRIRIGA requires the Model Derivative API and the Data Management API. Once you've created your application, you will receive a client ID and a client secret. These are the credentials that provide access to your Forge service applications. They're what you will need to enter into TRIRIGA to enable the Forge service. You should guard them closely as they do allow access to all of the models that you've stored through TRIRIGA or any other means with that application. There is a new application on the TRIRIGA Tools page that provides for managing BIM models. The first step is that you'll need to enter the credentials that you received in the previous step. Warning message is normal, and if it's the first time that you're entering credentials, you can accept it. The next step is to create a bucket. Buckets can be persistent, which means models last until they are deleted. Temporary, which means that models are automatically deleted after 30 days, and transient, which means models are automatically deleted after 24 hours. Even if a model is deleted, the translated viewable is not deleted. Buckets can be created in the US region or the EMEA region. Actually, the selection on the toolbar is what's used in the dialog for the creation of the bucket. Once the bucket is created, it's displayed in the Buckets tab, and the Buckets tab is filtered by region. The next step is to upload a model file and request that the model file be translated into the viewable format used by the viewer. So we're going to use a Navisworks model for this. Navisworks models are advantageous because they provide a visual representation for rooms, which the Revit models do not. This is useful for the location application. After we upload the model, we're going to request that it automatically be translated. Once the translation is complete, we see a thumbnail for the viewable model. Clicking on that thumbnail will actually take us to the Viewer tab and display the translated viewable. The Models flyout shows a list of all of the translated models. The next step is to go to the Buildings tab, which displays all of the buildings that are available in TRIRIGA, filtered by name and description. and to associate the model that we just uploaded with the TRIRIGA building record. This list is the same list shown on the Viewer tab, so it's the list of translated buildings. We'll select the model we just uploaded and it's associated with the building.